Welcome to Unlocking the Secrets to Boost Your Product Visibility and Sales Rank, the podcast dedicated to helping Amazon sellers increase their product visibility and improve their sales rank on the platform. In this episode, we'll uncover proven strategies and techniques to enhance your product's visibility, attract more customers, and climb the ranks on Amazon's competitive marketplace. Understanding Amazon's search algorithm. Let's start by demystifying Amazon's search algorithm and how it impacts your product's visibility. Keyword optimization. Learn how to conduct thorough keyword research and strategically incorporate relevant keywords into your product listings to improve search visibility. Optimizing product titles. Discover best practices for crafting compelling and keyword-rich product titles that grab shoppers' attention and improve click-through rates. Enhancing product listings for conversion. Explore strategies to optimize your product listings for maximum conversion. Compelling product descriptions. Learn how to write persuasive and informative product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of your products and address customer pain points. High-quality images. Understand the importance of high-quality product images that accurately represent your products and enhance the shopping experience for customers. Leveraging sponsored products and advertising. Discover the power of Amazon advertising to boost your product's visibility and sales. Sponsored products campaigns. Explore how to create and optimize sponsored products. Campaigns to increase visibility for your products and drive targeted traffic. Keyword targeting strategies. Learn advanced keyword targeting strategies to ensure your sponsored products ads reach the right audience and generate maximum ROI. Building social proof and credibility. Establishing social proof is essential for building trust and credibility with potential customers. Customer reviews. Explore strategies for soliciting and managing customer reviews to showcase the positive experiences of satisfied customers and build trust with prospective buyers. Optimizing product ratings. Learn how to encourage customers to leave ratings for your products and leverage positive ratings to improve your product's visibility and sales rank. Monitoring performance and iterating strategies. Continuously monitor your product's performance and iterate your strategies for ongoing improvement. Analyzing metrics. Utilize Amazon's analytics tools to track key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and sales velocity, and identify areas for optimization. Iterative optimization. Adopt a data-driven approach to optimize your product listings, advertising campaigns, and overall strategy based on real-time performance data and customer feedback. As we conclude this episode of Unlocking the Secrets to Boost Your Product Visibility and Sales Rank, remember that improving your product's visibility and sales rank on Amazon requires a strategic and multifaceted approach. By implementing the strategies and techniques discussed in this episode and continually refining your approach based on data and feedback, you can unlock the secrets to success and achieve your sales goals on the Amazon platform. Thank you for tuning in, and may you elevate your product's visibility and sales rank to new heights with these insights and strategies. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us, and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.